Good evening, class. Welcome to Humanities 115 Critical Thinking. It is an honor to be able to have you in this class this semester, and I am extremely excited about where we're going to go over the next 8 weeks. I wanted to reach out to you in week one, just give you a few basic principles and things to understand as we move forward. And the very first thing is please make sure you go ahead and complete the enrollment verification form. That's an essential component of this class that guarantees your enrollment in the class for the entire course. So please go ahead and complete the enrollment verification form. And then immediately you can move into the icebreaker form and also your weekly form. Our discussion weekly forms are due on Thursdays, with your initial post being due Thursday at 11:55. And then on Sunday at 11:55, you need to have submitted 2 replies to your classmates. Now, a weekly form is an extremely important part of this class. Since we're having to do this online and not face to face, I want you to pretend as if the weekly forms are basic classroom discussions that we would have if we were sitting down together having a conversation. So make sure that you are demonstrating that you've read the material or watched the videos, that you understand what is going on, and put that into your own words, detailing what you have learned in answer to the question. Do not see the weekly forms as just trying to meet the minimum requirements for word count and other general topics, but give it your best. All that you have to go on is your word. So you want to make sure that your word is well written, it's clearly stated, and it makes the point that you're trying to get across. We also have a semester long or course long research project that you'll be working on. I've gone ahead and included those first principles in week number 1, where you're going to have the opportunity to identify a local issue, something that's really important to you as well as the community that you live in. You're going to be able to research and propose solutions for that. In all things, give it your best, give details, really demonstrate that you're picking up on what the author is saying or what the video is implying, and that we have great conversation throughout the semester. You know, we live in a very complex society. There's a lot of different things that are going on, and there's a lot of people that seem to know a lot, but they really know nothing at all. And when we're speaking about different issues within our society or within our homes or community, it is so important that we allow our words to speak and that we're able to develop complex thoughts into a way that anyone can understand using critical thinking skills, but also giving solid research-based arguments. So I want you to remember 3 things as we move forward this semester, and these are 3 things that you can use to persuade someone in your writings, in your discussions. These come from Aristotle's great philosopher, and those 3 things are ethos, pathos, and logos. Of course, logos being word. This is where you do your research, you give your evidence for what you believe in, and why you believe that it's the right solution to the problem or the right viewpoint to a particular issue. So logos is that word. And then you have pathos. Pathos is that emotion. You might have a personal story that you can include in the discussion to demonstrate that you're able to connect a story to the evidence that you've researched to make your point. So pathos is that emotion that you believe strongly in that which you're studying for that particular week. And then finally, you have ethos. In ethos is when you give credibility to what you are writing about. You want to make sure that you are speaking in tune with culture, that you are speaking in tune with what the evidence is stating and how you relate to that particular issue. So ethos, pathos, and logos, those are important things that you can put into your writing, your conversation, your everyday life, and it will help make your arguments much stronger and allow others to truly be engaged in what you're saying. As always, I want to help you this semester. I want to help you to attain great success. And so please do not hesitate to reach out to me. There'll be times throughout the semester when we'll do some collaborate sessions, but you can also email me and we can schedule a time to get together if we need to in the office to help you. But I want to see you give your very best, and I want you to just do well in this class while gaining some great information. I hope that you have a great semester. I look forward to reading your work, learning from you, and together we're going to have a wonderful time. So have a great first week. I look forward to talking with you soon.